Hi there, this is what I wanted to show. This is what I've been playing with. I ordered a fan online, a 200mm fan, with the aim of taking it apart, separating the windings. And this was done a few years ago, but I noticed I watched the video, but they didn't turn it into a cat pulser. What I've done is I built it, separated the windings, and then what I did was I joined the windings extended them and onto thicker gauge wire, and then onto 22 gauge, so I could plug it into a breadboard and just a small Bedini circuit. Playing around with the resistor values, you can find the sweet spot really easy with this. It's just a 50 ohm to the base, and I've got it running 12 volts. I've got one of the capsule devices running through it, and there's a small battery here. So the orange meter is the cap. You can hear the change in tone as well as it dumps and starts to speed up again. And there's the battery, the small one. This cap dump, this is one of the capsule devices. This works better with a 12 volt, so it dumps much faster. That's why I use it across the Bedini, solid state Bedini here. But this is what I plan on doing with it. I plan on using a small 555 and using that as a trigger rather than using one of the windings, because what you can then do is match the circuits, feed matched circuits into the windings there, and you could come away with a really effective charger, because at the minute there's only one winding. I think it works out that all of the windings have been tested. They've all been tested bar one. I can't get a reading from it for some reason, but yeah, I'm gonna keep on with this. I've got another fan coming as well. You can do this with an office fan as well, and from what I can see, you should be able to get better results from that, especially if you rewind the status. But I'll keep you informed with this anyway, show you what progress I'm going to make with it. But I'm going to take it in a slightly different direction than what has been done from what I've seen. So anyway, thanks for watching.